Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our channel, StoryLearn English. Today, I am going to tell you a very simple and heart-touching story. This story is about a small child, a big school, and a very special first day. If you are learning English, or if you love calm stories, this story is just for you. So sit comfortably, relax your mind, and enjoy the story, and improve your English skills. So let's go. My name is Adam. I am 6 years old. Today is a very important day in my life. Today is my first day at school. I wake up early in the morning. The sun is shining through my window. The birds are singing outside, but my heart is beating fast. I feel happy, but I also feel scared. I sit on my bed and look around my room. My school bag is near the chair. It is blue and new. My shoes are clean. My uniform is on the table. My mother comes into my room. She smiles at me. She says, "Good morning, Adam." I say, "Good morning, Mom." My voice is soft. My mother helps me get ready. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wear my uniform. It feels a little tight, but nice. I eat my breakfast. I drink a glass of milk. I am quiet. My mother looks at me and asks, "Are you nervous?" I nod my head slowly. She smiles again and says, "It's okay to feel scared. Everyone feels scared on their first day." Her words make me feel better. My father comes to the table. He puts his hand on my head. He says, "Be brave, my son. You will make new friends today." I smile a little. Soon it is time to go. My father holds my hand. My mother carries my bag. We walk to the school together. The school is big, very big. There are many children. Some children are laughing. Some are crying. Some are holding their parents' hands tightly. I feel my heart beat faster again. I hold my father's hand more tightly. A bell rings loudly. It is time for school to start. Parents begin to leave. Some children cry louder. My mother bends down and hugs me. She says, "I will come to get you later." My father smiles and waves. Then they leave. I stand there alone. My eyes feel hot. I want to cry, but I don't. A teacher comes to me. She is tall and kind. She smiles warmly. She says, "Hello, what is your name?" I say, "My name is Adam." She holds my hand gently. She takes me to the classroom. The classroom is bright. There are colorful pictures on the wall. There are small tables and chairs. I see many children inside. I sit on a chair near the window. I look outside. I miss my parents. The teacher starts talking. She says, "Good morning, children." We say, "Good morning, teacher." She tells us her name. Her name is Miss Lily. She speaks slowly and kindly. She asks us to say our names. One by one, children stand up and speak. Some children speak loudly. Some speak softly.
When it is my turn, I feel scared. My legs shake a little. I stand up and say, "My name is Adam." Miss Lily smiles at me. She says, "Nice to meet you, Adam." I feel proud. After that, we sing a song. It is a happy song. Slowly, I feel better. A boy sits next to me. He looks at me and smiles. He says, "Hello." I say, "Hello." His name is Ben. Ben shows me his pencil box. It is red and full of colors. I show him mine. It is blue. We laugh softly. Later, we draw pictures. I draw my house. I draw my parents. I draw myself. Miss Lily walks around. She looks at our drawings. She says kind words to everyone. Then it is snack time. I open my bag. My mother has put a sandwich inside. I eat slowly. Ben shares his biscuit with me. I say, "Thank you." He says, "You're welcome." We go outside to play. There's a big playground. There are swings and slides. At first, I feel shy. Then, Ben takes my hand and says, "Let's play." We run together. I laugh. I feel happy. I forget my fear. Soon, the bell rings again. It is time to go home. Parents come back. I see my mother and father. I run to them. My mother asks, "How was your day?" I smile and say, "It was good." We walk home together. I tell them about Miss Lily. I tell them about Ben. I tell them about my drawing. At night, I lie in my bed. I think about my day. I am tired but happy. My first day at school is over. I am not scared anymore. I know tomorrow will be good too. Thank you so much for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, StoryLearn English. More simple English stories are coming soon to help you learn and relax. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and have a wonderful day.